Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Mandy and today we are back with another advent calendar unboxing. Today we have a very exciting advent calendar from Guerlain. But before we start, can I please ask that if you're new here to please hit the subscribe button and ring the bell because that is the only way to be notified of all upcoming advent calendar unboxings. Today we unbox the 2022 Guerlain Hive of 25 Wonders advent calendar. Now this one wasn't actually available in Australia, so it has taken some time for me to get this over here. So unfortunately, it's actually sold out everywhere by the time I got it and now. So I actually can't leave any links for you to get this, but I will leave links below on where you can get other calendars, so check it out. So if you haven't heard of Guerlain before, they are a French brand that specialize in skincare, cosmetics, and fragrances. Now I actually have tried a lot of their skincare range. It's super luxe, and they also have a very unique cosmetics range too. Now this box here retails for roughly 900 Australian dollars, but it is also valued at about the same price. Now it does have 7 full-size products in there. The box on this one is definitely a keepsake box. It's so pretty, oh my gosh. But I don't know why I thought the whole thing would be made out of wood, but it's actually just the little legs here that are made of the wood. And this one is also super heavy, you guys. So you untie this and lift up to open, and inside are 25 individually boxed gifts. The design is just super beautiful with gold and white accents and the bee design. All right, let's go ahead and start this unboxing. Now, on the first day, we have a mini musk Outre Blanc fragrance. This is 10 mils and this is a very lightly scented musk fragrance, and it has beautiful floral notes. So I haven't tried this one before, but I love how light and airy it is. On to the second item, and we have the mini Figue Azur candle. This one is 35 grams and it's supposed to smell quite milky. This one has fig notes and it's meant to smell like a fresh breeze getaway. This one is definitely very light, and you know how much I love candles, so this is definitely getting added to my collection. Day 3 is the mini Cuir Beluga fragrance. This is 10 mils and it's supposed to smell really leathery. It has notes of tangerine, suede, amber, and vanilla. It's definitely a very strong scent, and I don't think this one is for me. Moving on to day 4, and we have the Sapochetti perfume soap in the scent Calabrian Bergamo. This one is 100 grams and it's supposed to smell really fresh and lemony. It's got hints of bergamot, cardamom, pink peppercorn, ginger, lemon, and musk. The blend is so beautiful, you guys, and I love my citrus and cardamom scents, so this is perfect for me. Next is day 5, and we have the mini Angelique Noir fragrance. This one is 10 mils and is centered around the Angelica flower. This has beautiful vanilla, pink pepper, and cedar notes. It's definitely a very sexy scent. It's a sweet scent with a little kick to it, but I normally prefer light, airier, sweet scents, but this one is nice too. Door 6 is... Let's check it out. Door 6 is one of their ceramic ornaments. This is so cute. It's got the white and gold accents and their signature bee design in the middle. I love that this one can be personalized and you can put your own scent and leave it up on the tree. Now we have day 7, and it's the mini Neroli Outre Noir fragrance. This one is 10 mils and it's a blend of the Neroli Bergamo mixed with the smoked tea. It smells like orange because it contains Petit Grain, which is the essential oil of bitter oranges. It's got a very unique scent. I don't think I've smelled anything like this before. Now, this isn't something I would normally go for, but I do take a liking to this one. On to day 8, and we have the mini Bois d'Inde candle. This one is supposed to smell super earthy and woody, and it's 35 grams. It contains sandalwood, bark, and spiced soil notes. It's actually quite a strong scent, and if you like earthy notes, you'll really love this one. Next is day 9, and we have the Guerlain Bee bracelet. This is exclusive to the advent calendar, and the bracelet is a velvet material with their signature gold bee charm as a statement piece. This is definitely a cute collectible piece. We have day 10, and it is another ceramic ornament. This time we have a 5-point star artwork in the middle, which is quite cute. Again, you can spray this one with your favorite perfume. On to day 11, and it's the mini Santal Power Rosa fragrance. It's a rose petal scent mixed with agarwood and cardamom notes. So this one is 10 mils and it's quite woody and heavier in my opinion, and definitely a little bit too strong for me. But if you like earthy scents, I think you'd really like this one. We are on to the halfway mark and we have the Anson Diva candle. This is 35 grams and the scent is apparently a fragrant tea with a woody cedar note. It's a nice fall scent kind of vibe, and I really like the tea scent in this one. Day 13 is the Madagascan Vanilla Sapochetti Perfume Soap. This is 100 grams and I can already smell the beautiful vanilla. I think vanilla has always been one of my top fragrances that I love. This one gives a very warm winter vanilla milk by the fire kind of feel. Next up is day 14 and we have the Mini Spirituous Double Vanille Fragrance. This one is supposed to be a very woody vanilla scent. The fragrance notes include vanilla, jasmine, ylang ylang, cedar, and rum. Absolutely love, love, love this one. I could soak myself up in this scent. This is probably one of my favorite scents out of this box so far. On to day 15 and it's the Mini Ylang d'Outre-mer candle. Also 35 grams and this smells like fresh frangipanis. Okay, this one has ylang ylang notes and has a very subtle floral fragrance. Now this would be perfect for the home. Day 16 is the Mini Abeille Royale Day Cream. Now this is 15 mils and it's one I've actually tried before. I went to one of the Guerlain masterclasses and I tried the entire Abeille Royale range and they are so amazing, and this cream is actually super lightweight and smells amazing. This is a cream that will have your skin looking firmer, smoother, and more radiant. This one is super luxe. It's packed with vitamin C and black bee repair technology. Now it is a creamy texture, but it does not give you a greasy afterfeel. It's also perfect for sensitive skin. Moving on to day 17 and we have the Mini Rose Cherie fragrance. It's 10 mils and smells very rosy as expected. Okay, I really, really love this one. I can totally see myself wearing this daily. It's also got almond and raspberry notes, making this very sweet. On day 18, we have another ceramic ornament. This one has a lovely 6-pointed star and inside is the signature bee. Another beautiful ornament to add to the tree. Door 19 is the Mini Épice sous l'Étoile candle. This is 35 grams and it's meant to be a festive mix of fruits, gingerbread, and patchouli. A very interesting mix, but honestly, I can only smell the patchouli in here. Kind of wish that they put more gingerbread scent in there. Moving on to day 20 and we have the Mini Kiss Kiss Shaping Cream Lipstick in the shade 325 Rogue Kiss. This is a very festive red color as expected. I think most lipsticks we have gotten in this year's calendars are always red. It's a very bright red color and this is a creamy hydrating lipstick. It's also infused with hyaluronic acid. Next is day 21 and it's the Sapochetti Perfume Soap in the scent Iris. This is 100 grams and smells quite florally. It's scented around the iris flower from Tuscany, and this one is actually really strong and really florally. Day 22 is another mini candle in the scent Muguet de Printemps, and this one is centered around the spring lily of the valley flower. It has lily of the valley flower notes mixed with roses and jasmine. Overall, a very beautiful florally candle, and this one is 35 grams. Day 23 is the Mini Cherry Oud fragrance. This one is 10 mils and it's meant to have a very earthy cherry scent. This has a mix of leather, wood, cherry, and 2 types of roses. Second last day and we have the Mini Abeille Royale Night Cream. This is 15 mils and it's again from the Abeille Royale range, which I love. And I love that they actually included both day and night creams in here. It has all the same properties as your day cream, but designed for overnight. Last but not least, we have day 25, and it's actually the big one behind here. So we have a full-size Abeille Royale Youth Watery Oil. This is 15 mils, and it's actually one of their best sellers. If you shake this one up here, there's actually little tiny microbeads that are gold. It's so cute. This range is centered around the power of honey, and this one here allows the skin to repair 9 times faster and fully repairs within 8 hours. This one is honestly one of my favorite products from them. So this is the 2022 Guerlain Hive of 25 Wonders Advent Calendar. What did we think of this year's box? Let me know in the comments below. This is definitely the most expensive Advent calendar that I got this year. It's very, very pricey, and honestly, I'm not sure if it was worth it, but I did really, really love the keepsake bee hive house box thing that we have going on here. It's super pretty, super cute, definitely keeping this long term. And I love the skincare range that they provided, as well as the candles, because I'm a super candle girl. But I do wish they had more makeup in here, because they really had like just one lipstick. So I know this one is unfortunately sold out, but check out the links below that are linked for you. They are of other calendars that you can get in time for Christmas. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this unboxing as much as I did. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!